In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for coding and programming, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by protecting your work. Before you share any proprietary source code, database schemas, or server files, open Settings from the profile icon in the bottom left corner. Go to Data Controls and toggle Off. Improve the model for everyone. This keeps your application logic, private function structures, and project files out of training pipelines so they remain confidential. Just as important, never paste production API keys, database passwords, or unencrypted environment variables into a chat. If you need to discuss configuration, sanitize or mask values and describe the structure instead. Next, choose the right model tier for the job using the selector at the top of the chat window. Pick the instant tier for quick edits like renaming variables, changing comment styles, generating lightweight HTML wrappers, or translating clean scripts between languages. Switch to the thinking tier when you're diagnosing complex issues such as runtime memory leaks, asynchronous chain bugs, intricate database designs, or elusive logic errors. Matching the tier to your task saves time and improves accuracy. Now, prime the system with a structured code specification rather than a vague request. Press Shift plus Enter to draft a clear multi-line prompt with context. For example, you might say, act as a principal full-stack software engineer and senior DevOps architect. I want to build a highly responsive script in my target language. Before you generate any code, ask me 3 targeted questions about my third-party libraries, expected input data schema, and error handling thresholds so we can architect this correctly. Then answer those alignment questions one at a time to nail down dependencies and constraints. Once your requirements are set, move into a focused building environment. Type /canvas. Create a structured modular script template based on our data. Organize configuration variables, core execution loops, and data formatting functions into distinct blocks with clear inline comments. Your screen will split. Prompts stay on the left, and a syntax highlighted editor opens on the right for clean side-by-side iteration. With the framework in place, refine code inline. Highlight a specific function or block in the Canvas editor. Click the floating comment bubble and issue a direct command. For example, refactor this function to run asynchronously, add a try catch for timeouts, and log explicit metrics on failure. Only the highlighted selection is rewritten, so the rest of your file stays intact. Finally, validate and export. Click Run to execute supported scripts in an isolated sandbox and catch parsing or runtime issues. When everything is clean, use export or download in the Canvas header to pull the file in its native format, ready for your IDE. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.